doing a video on nails, and I'm so excited because I just discovered press-on nails 2 weeks ago, and I am in love with them because I usually do my own nails anyway. So typically what I do is I do my dip with the tip. No, yeah, dip with a tip, and I really love those too, but it does take me a long time because I have a hard time doing my left hand since I'm right-handed. Wait, no, I have a hard time doing my right hand since I'm left-handed. But wait, I'm not left-handed. I have a hard time doing my right hand because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to do my left hand. So when I'm doing the dip with the tip, I have a really hard time. But with press-on nails, I really don't. I just do them super quick, pop them on. I think the longest I took with press-on nails is 30 minutes. I've only done it twice. So for this video is these that I'm wearing right now, the ones that I'm gonna be doing. And can you see? Let me see, there. So it's gonna be with these. Wait, I want you to see it really good. Yes. So it's gonna be for these that I'm wearing right now, this video. And this is my second time I've done press-on nails. So 2 weeks ago, I did press-on nails and I love them. And this is from the same set. The set that I'm gonna be using for this video is gonna be the Kiss Salon Acrylic Natural, and I really love these because they're kind of thick on the front and they're not thin all around, so they don't look like press-on nails at all. They actually look like acrylic nails. Now, I have done acrylic before. I am not a big fan of acrylic just because of how much damage I used to get, and I used to do it myself as well. I don't do acrylics anymore. But anyway, so this is the one that I'm gonna be using for this video, and I actually used it twice, so you get 2 uses out of it. The only thing is that for this video, for this set, I had to refile it, so file them so that they can be measured to my nails. But the first time I used it, they fit perfectly. I didn't have to file them or anything, so don't worry, you won't have to do that if you just use them once. This was just because I was trying to get more use out of it. And the glue that I bought with it was the Maximum Speed from Kiss as well. And yeah, and you'll see all of this in the video. So if you want to see how I got my nails, please keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've already washed my hands, and now I'm gonna show you guys everything that you'll be needing. So for this particular video, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Acrylic Natural set. Let me see if I can get it to, if you guys can see it. Actually, no, you can't. Okay, there it is. Okay, so for this particular video, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Acrylic Natural set. It came in a set like this, but I've already used the first one. Well, it comes with a set. You can use it up to 2 times. I think, I don't know how I'm doing it. But this time, because the first time I used the ones that were really accurate to my size, so this time I'm gonna have to be doing some filing, but I don't mind. So yes, I got the long ones, and I think these are the ballerina style. Let me see. Oh, it just says long right here. Long. So that's the ones that I'm gonna be using. And then you're gonna be needing files. Like, these are soft files. Then I went ahead and got these thick files, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. Maybe I will, I don't know yet. I didn't have to use them last time. You'll also, it's always good to get a nail clipper, and then a little brush just to get any excess when you're painting the nails. and a cuticle pusher. I also got this little nourishing cuticle nourishing oil. And let me see what else. Sorry, guys, I was trying to focus here. This little mini cuticle oil. Then a little brush to brush off any of the dust. The set comes with this, but I don't really use it. But if you want to use it, you can use it. And then the glue that I used this last time that I did them was the Kiss. Let me focus it real quick. See if I can get a good little focus. Okay, the Kiss. This is the Kiss. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, so the Kiss fast drying, maximum speed drying glue. And this is the one that I used last time and it worked perfect for me. So I'm gonna use it again. And my favorite top coat is Out the Door by Sish Vide. I really don't know how to pronounce it, so it's this one. And then the color that I'm gonna be doing is this kind of off white pinkish tone. It's called Beyond the Pale Pink by OPI. And I wasn't sure between, I was trying to pick between these, but I went ahead and did the off-white. These colors are really in for spring and summer 2020. So yeah, for this one, I'm gonna be using this. I hope it's good because I don't know. I haven't used this in a long time. I forgot how it looks. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step you wanna do is you wanna remove, actually, never mind. You want to go ahead and push your cuticle back. So I don't like using oils to push it back because I find it very, I don't know, I kind of like to keep them as dry as possible. So just go ahead and push them back. I just took mine off like 2 days ago. No, wait. Yeah, 2 days ago. And they lasted me a long time, like I told you guys. I really love this technique. It's super fast. Okay guys, and here I'm just gonna keep pushing the cuticle back for all of my fingers, for both of my hands. And just make sure you get really good in there because we're gonna be putting the nail under the cuticle to make sure they look really natural. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and grab this file. And what you want to do is you want to erase all of the shine out of there. Okay. You want to erase all of the shine. And repeat the same step on all of your nails as well. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the little brush and brush it out. Okay. So now I have already pre-measured the nails, but because it's a new set, they are not gonna match as perfect. So I'm gonna be filing them with this or this, I'm not sure yet. Okay, so now I have already filed them, so we're gonna go ahead and dust off any excess. On the last time I did them, I actually put the glue on the nail as well as on my nail, but I think on this time I'm just gonna put it on my nail. So just making sure this is good. No extra little thingies. Make sure you get any extra little excess from the nail. And this too, just going over, making sure they're not weird. These from me filing them. Like I said, last time I didn't have to file them that bad, but this time I did. Good. Wait, this is number 9. 9, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get the glue. And I'm gonna put it all over. Just do a drop, and then there. Make sure it's really straight in. And try to go under. There. And you just press for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to repeat the same step on all of your nails. Just make sure you get under the cuticle really well and you push down for 5 seconds for each nail so that they get really nice and secure and prevent air bubbles. Okay, once you have glued all your nails, you want to make sure that you file each and every nail to make sure that they match really nicely to your finger, making sure that they're all even on with the length and everything looks nice and natural. Okay, so then you wanted to paint your nails once you've already filed them. I had already done my first coat. I didn't realize it wasn't filming, but this is the second coat of the nail polish, sorry. And once you've painted all your nails, you want to make sure you do your top coat, wait 10 minutes, and then do your cuticle oil on all your cuticles just to make sure they are nice, healthy, shiny, and pretty. And last but definitely not least, it's the hand moisturizer that I use, and that is the Almond Hydrating Lotion from CND. I love using that moisturizer. It keeps my hands really hydrated. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try these nails, please let me know down below. I want to see what you guys think. If you have any problems with the way that you're applying them or just any questions about it, just ask me down below. I would love to help you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.